Good evening to all. I am Yashika from 6th standard. I feel very happy to talk to you on the special occasion. Respected Chairman Sir, Correspondent Sir, Secretary Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, dear parents and my dear friends. Good evening to everyone. I feel honored to get this opportunity. Today I am going to speak on the topic importance of time. Time is very precious. Once time is lost, it never comes back. That's why we should use our time wisely. As someone has rightly said, time and tide wait for no one. Time teaches us discipline and responsibility. Students who manage their time will complete their work on time and achieve success. When we value of time, we can balance our studies, play and rest. Great people in the world become successful because they understood the importance of time and used every moment properly. If we waste time today, we will regret it tomorrow. So let us work hard to achieve our dream and make good use of our time. In conclusion, I would like to say that time is more valuable than money. Let us respect time and make our future bright. Once again, I thanks for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.